Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to get your Slack QR code step by step in this 2025 tutorial. So let's get started. First, open the Slack app on your phone and log into your workspace. From the home screen, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, scroll down and select Account Settings or Profile, depending on your version. Here, tap Sign in with QR code or View my QR code. Slack will instantly display your personal QR code for your workspace. You can screenshot it or tap share code to send it securely to another device. If you're on a computer, go to Slack login page on your browser. Click sign in with QR code, then open the mobile app to scan it from your screen and access your account instantly. Make sure not to share your QR code publicly since it gives direct access to your workspace. And that's how to get your Slack QR code quickly and safely in 2025.